Hey there. Today we're diving into a topic that's both exciting and a bit chilling: how AI is set to change the world by replacing jobs. By 2030, automation and smart systems will reshape industries. Let's look at the top 10 jobs AI will likely replace. Let's begin. 10. Retail cashiers. Retail cashiers are rapidly being replaced by AI through self-checkout machines, smart kiosks, and stores like Amazon Go. These systems use sensors, computer vision, and mobile apps to create a seamless shopping experience. Without human cashiers, businesses benefit from reduced costs and faster transactions. While customers enjoy convenience, what once required multiple employees is now handled by a few machines and one or two floor assistants. Even smaller shops are adopting hybrid checkout systems. With AI-powered customer interaction, kiosks can now help answer questions and process returns. This transformation is widespread across grocery chains, clothing outlets, and convenience stores. By 2030, cashier roles will be mostly phased out in major cities and retail chains, especially where the cost of labor is high. It's a classic case of technology reducing overhead while improving efficiency. While some staff will be retrained for tech support or customer assistance roles, the majority of traditional cashier jobs are unlikely to survive. 9. Customer service agents. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are taking over call centers around the world. These systems can handle common requests like tracking orders, resetting passwords, or providing basic troubleshooting with surprising effectiveness. Using natural language processing and sentiment analysis, AI bots now understand context, tone, and even emotional cues. They offer 24/7 support in multiple languages, scale instantly, and require no training or time off. As a result, companies are slashing their customer service teams. According to Gartner, nearly 80% of standard service requests could be automated by 2030. While human agents may remain for complex or emotional scenarios, the volume of those cases is small. Meanwhile, roles like AI trainers, prompt engineers, or chatbot content designers are growing. Companies across telecom, finance, healthcare, and e-commerce are investing heavily in AI customer platforms. Call centers are downsizing. The trend is clear: entry-level customer support is quickly becoming an AI domain, not a human one. 8. Data entry clerks. Data entry jobs are a prime target for automation. These roles are repetitive, rule-based, and often involve structured formats, making them ideal for AI and robotic process. Automation, RPA, with tools like OCR, optical character recognition, NLP, natural language processing, and RPA software like UiPath and Automation Anywhere. Companies are eliminating manual data entry. Invoices, contracts, forms, and receipts are now digitized and processed in seconds without human input. AI systems can handle semi-structured or unstructured data like scanned PDFs or handwritten notes thanks to advances in machine learning and computer vision. This makes them highly flexible across industries like banking, insurance, healthcare, and logistics. Tens of thousands of data entry positions are already disappearing, and countries that rely on outsourcing, such as India and the Philippines, seeing economic impact. By 2030, most manual data entry will be history. Workers in these fields will need to pivot to roles in data quality, analysis, or system oversight. 7. Telemarketers. Telemarketing is one of the most disliked and easily automated jobs, thanks to AI-generated voices and dynamic scripting tools. Machines can now place thousands of calls per day that sound human and engaging. AI telemarketers don't get tired, don't need lunch breaks, and don't feel the sting of rejection. They can adjust their tone, answer objections, and follow scripts with precision. Voice cloning technology and services like 11 Labs allow companies to craft digital agents that can handle lead generation or customer outreach. Businesses love this shift. It saves money and boosts consistency. While regulations may limit robocalls, AI systems that respond dynamically during live interactions are harder to restrict. In B2C outreach and appointment setting, the human role is shrinking. While high-value B2B sales still benefit from personal relationships, low-level telemarketing is nearly obsolete. Future opportunities lie in managing sales pipelines, optimizing AI scripts, or overseeing automation tools, not in cold calling strangers. 6. Basic content writers. Generative AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy AI are revolutionizing content creation. They can produce blog posts, product descriptions, listicles, emails, and more faster and cheaper than most writers. These tools optimize for tone, structure, and SEO. They allow businesses to A/B test content variations instantly and scale up their digital marketing without hiring large writing teams. AI-generated content is becoming indistinguishable from human-written material for short, templated formats. This poses a real challenge to freelance writers and junior copywriters. Entry-level writing gigs, especially on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, are already experiencing rate drops due to AI alternatives. Still, not all writing is replaceable. Creative storytelling, investigative journalism, and brand strategy require human creativity and nuance. Writers should upskill in those areas or learn to collaborate with AI to enhance their productivity and value. 5. Fast food workers. Fast food jobs involve repetitive, time, and standardized tasks perfect for automation. AI-powered kiosks already take orders in chains, like McDonald's and Taco Bell. Back-of-house robots are now flipping burgers, frying items, and assembling meals. Companies are testing robotic arms, conveyor systems, and automated beverage dispensers. These systems reduce labor costs, improve hygiene, and increase speed. For large chains operating on thin margins, the investment is a no-brainer. By 2030, we could see fully autonomous kitchens in high-traffic locations. Some restaurants in Asia and the US are already running pilot programs with minimal human staff. Fast food prep workers will need to shift into roles like system maintenance, food safety, or customer service, or risk being phased out entirely. 4. Paralegals. Paralegals often spend hours reviewing documents, drafting contracts, and conducting legal research tasks that AI can now perform in seconds. Legal tech platforms like Harvey.ai and Castext are already helping law firms scan documents, summarize cases, and identify relevant precedents. These systems reduce the time needed for litigation, prep, and contract reviews by up to 90%. They're especially valuable for firms dealing with large case volumes, while human lawyers still make strategic decisions. Many assistant roles, especially those doing document review or compliance checks, are being automated. By 2030, paralegal positions could see major downsizing. 3. Truck drivers. Self-driving trucks are already being tested on highways in the US, China, and Europe. Companies like Tesla, Aurora, and Waymo are investing heavily in autonomous freight transport. These vehicles can drive long distances without fatigue, operate 24/7, and use predictive data to optimize routes. They also reduce fuel consumption and traffic accidents. The biggest barrier is regulation and public trust. But once resolved, long-haul driving could be one of the first major transport roles to go. Millions of drivers may be affected unless they transition to fleet management, last-mile delivery, or AI logistics roles. 2. Financial analysts. AI is transforming finance by analyzing massive data sets faster and more accurately than humans. Tools like AlphaSense and Bloomberg GPT assess trends, predict stock movements, and even generate investment strategies. Analysts, who manually crunch numbers or prepare reports, are especially vulnerable. AI reduces human error and reacts to real-time data instantly. By 2030, junior analyst roles will shift toward oversight, strategy interpretation, and AI system tuning. Financial experts will still play a role, but more as decision makers than calculators. 1. Programmers, coders. Ironically, programming is becoming automated too. AI tools like GitHub, Copilot, and Replit's Ghostwriter can write functions, fix bugs, and explain code in natural language. This is a game changer for junior developers and basic software engineering tasks. Startups and solo founders now rely on AI for building MVPs without large dev teams. By 2030, coding will be more about logic, architecture, and prompt engineering than syntax. Developers who can design systems and collaborate with AI will thrive. Others may struggle to stay relevant. That wraps up our look at the top 10 jobs AI is set to replace by 2030. While change is coming fast, those who adapt will thrive. What do you think AI will replace next? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like and subscribe for more tech-driven insights.